Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. How to satisfy your sweet tooth during this lockdown? Let me show you a super easy recipe called as Banana Foster, which need only 3 ingredients and 2-minute cooking. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Now for this recipe, you need 2 ripe Robusta banana. Just peel it out. Now you can slice this banana or cut it into roundels like this. Now take around 2 tablespoons of butter and add that into a pan. Once the butter is melted, add some sugar. You can use brown sugar. Here I've used simply raw sugar, and you have to caramelize this sugar. Once the sugar is nicely caramelized, add few drops of vanilla essence and drop in all the banana pieces. Saute it. Now once the banana is well coated with the caramel, simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now as a final step, you can flambe it using some rum, but I just skipped that step because I'm serving it to my kids. Now our banana foster is ready. You can serve it warm using some ice cream. I served it with some fresh cream and it tastes amazing. These lockdowns should not lock your sweet cravings. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.